Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you Wise versus Remitly, which is better and cheaper. So let's get started. So if you'd want to use either of these platforms, you can use our link in the description below so that you can get started right away. So now let's get started. So first is Remitly right here. So it is founded in 2011. Remitly caters to around 3 million active monthly users. It provides various transfer options, including direct bank transfers, cash pickups, and mobile wallet deliveries. This makes it a versatile choice for users who need different transfer methods. On the other hand, we have Wise right here. So this is formerly known as TransferWise. So Wise is launched in 2011 in the UK and has grown to serve over 8 million users. Wise focuses on a transparent fee structure but doesn't offer cash pickups, which can be a deal breaker for some. Alright, so now let's talk about the transfer costs. So first up is Remitly. So from here, Remitly charges a flat fee based on the amount transferred, with no charge for transfers over $1,000. Wise, on the other hand, uses a percentage-based fee ranging from 0.35% to 1.65%. Depending on the amount and the currencies you are sending, it is essential to consider your transfer habits, preferences to choose the most cost-effective option for you. Now, in terms of security, both of these platforms take it seriously, so you don't have to worry about a thing. So Remitly employs two-factor authentication and SSL with 256-bit encryption, while Wise is FCA approved, GDPR compliant, and also uses two-factor authentication, ensuring your transactions and data are well protected. And now, in terms of availability, Remitly serves users in Europe, United States, Canada, Singapore, Australia, and a few more countries, as you can see right here. And Wise, on the other hand, operates in the European Economic Area, the United Kingdom, the United States, Singapore, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, and several other countries. You can check for it by going into google.com and then searching for Wise with your country. So yeah, you can also do that. They might be equal in terms of their availability in the countries, regions, or whatsoever, but here is the key difference in terms of availability. So Remitly would have the cash pickup available for you as a transfer method, while Wise doesn't have that. So if cash pickups are important to you, then Remitly may be the better options. Alright, so now let me give you some case scenarios. So Remitly is basically ideal for instant transfers, providing options for bank transfers, cash pickups, and electronic wallets such as Gcash. It's cost-effective for larger sums of money and offers easy tracking, while Wise, on the other hand, stands out for its low fees, transparent fee structure, FCA approval, and positive Trustpilot reviews. Wise is particularly suitable for smaller payments and those seeking a trustworthy service. So now, in conclusion, if cost effectiveness is a priority, then Wise might be the better option. For urgent payments or a variety of payment options, then Remitly could be your go-to solution. Ultimately, the decision is yours to make. So now you know whether you should pick Remitly or Wise. If this comparison of Remitly versus Wise was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.